Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming whether the outage is local to your house or a wider outage, because that determines your next step. Once confirmed it's local, go straight to the service panel, open the cover and visually scan for a tripped breaker or popped GFCI. Make sure you are on dry ground and using insulating gloves. This reduces shock risk. If you find a tripped breaker, flip it fully to OFF then firmly to on. If a GFCI is tripped, press reset and observe the circuit behavior. Once you've reset a breaker or GFCI, proceed deliberately to isolate any problematic circuits. If a breaker trips immediately after resetting, switch it back off and unplug all devices on that circuit so you can rule out appliance faults. Next, use a non-contact tester or multimeter to confirm voltage and check for continuity. This tells you whether wiring or a device is at fault. As you go, label each circuit and note which loads were connected. This mapping makes diagnosis faster and safer. You complete the reset by restoring power methodically. Turn circuits back on one at a time and pause briefly between each so you can detect immediate trips or overload signs. Make sure to test outlets and major appliances and feel for unusual heat or smell of burning, because early detection prevents damage. If any breaker trips repeatedly despite removing loads, stop attempting resets. That repeated trip indicates a persistent short or overload. In that case, isolate the circuit and contact a licensed electrician for a safe repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.